We're gonna be running. Wait, hold on. My screen's not even working. Hold on. There we go. We're gonna be running a Mordekaiser in the arena. I see Mordekaiser get banned a lot, like a lot. But I got lucky now, so I'm gonna try and. I'm gonna try and run him in the arena. We're gonna see. I don't know. There's no good ones. There's only good one, but forget that. I'm not gonna go. Oh, shit, there's another Mordekaiser. Yes, come on. Nice. I'm the better Mordekaiser. Let's go. Okay, let's see what we have now. We got everyone gains 5 rerolls. I don't know what that does. I want to go play arena because I'm sure there's 5 rerolls. Rerolls. Okay, let's see. Well, I'm gonna go tank. I'm gonna get Sunfire. I don't even say Aegis. Sunfire. We want to get Sunfire. And then we'll see. I feel like after my Q, I'm going W. I need more and more things. More and more HP. I can get that shield here. Good. Okay, we have Callista and Lina. I'm saving my money. Right in the middle. Hold on. I need to contest this. That's fine. I don't know what I was doing there. Let's see what else to do there. Nice. Come on. Oh no. That's okay. If I had more, you win one, you lose one. It's okay. It's not a big deal. Let's start 4. Okay, that's kind of crazy. No, it's only 2 rounds. You got all the kills. It doesn't matter. It means she's doing most of the work. But yeah, I need to go Sunfire. I need that shielding. What do you call it? I need that shield, armor. The armor, that's the word. Draven armor. Ooh. That's really good. That's what you get as well. requires 1350 HP. That's easy, that's fine. I need one more item and I can activate that. It should be okay then. Who am I going against? Harley and Maokai. It's fine. Wait, how will you help? Run away for a second. That's fine, there's no way he's winning this. Oh, but where's he running? Oh, you guys kill me. Boom! Bonk! Bonk him, man. Okay, Sunfire, let's go. Okay, what else are we doing? I need, what do you call it? The thing that does magic over time. Just like Sunfire does. I don't know. Leandry, that's the word. Leandry. I want to become like a microwave, you know? You know what I mean? Yeah, unfortunately, like that. 1 minute. HP, got all the HP. The magic thing might really help. Yeah, who cares? Fine, just heal up. Boom! Walking microwave. We're literally walking microwave. We're too good. Nah, this is a very easy one. This is not no skill. This is no skill build. Just go for it every time. Easy win. What was that? Every time I click him, I just finish it. I need click. Mountain sword. Shield for being out combat. Get in a castle something. Wait, hold on. Play mountain sword. Yeah, we want to go. Who do we have? Yone and Draven. I'm a bit worried about these guys. Every time I see these guys, they're winning fights. I didn't need to walk away. Boom. Boom. Okay, quickly. Let's see who's winning. Maokai and Heimerdinger. I'm not going against Heimerdinger. Nah, I should be alright against him. I should be alright. Leandry. Leonji, the Rift Maker. Yeah, Leondry. Yes, boom. Mega walking microwave. Mega walking. Now I thought it was triple M, but I'm stupid. MWM. Okay, what else shall we do? Heimerdinger. Okay. Heimerdinger, ignore all of his cards, all of his stuff. Just walk right on it. Easy as that. Easy build. No brain build. I need to focus on my W because I keep forgetting that the W bar is full, and then I can usually get a free shield. There's no point in risking it. Might as well just, you know. Now. Nice. Okay, I don't. Okay, I died though, which is a good reminder. You know, I'm still human. Kane was doing a lot there. That's fine. I wanna walk away. I wanna decide to walk away. Get that HP there. Get that ultimate there. Boom. Where is he? Nice. Easy. I don't know how he did so much damage to me. Let's see. Probably the armor reduction. Yeah, it's probably that. I need to get more armor. Make shield as well. Probably magic penetration. Okay. I'm gonna save my money. I don't need to spend. Who am I again? Shin Jiao. Shin and Kendrick. I'm worried about Kendrick because she has the bravery thing. But I should be alright because I have a shield. If I just go on and Jiao and focus on him, I'll be alright. Okay, W, nice. Okay, he's running away. My range is AFK. So let's see. I'm not even gonna do anything. Just walk around him. That's a lot. That's a lot. Hold your X gates. Each combat now. We already talked now. Yeah, probably it's gonna be Mordekaiser, double Mordekaiser, you know. What am I gonna do next? Probably Rift Maker. I don't know. Your abilities are fire interesting. Probably that. Okay, let's see, what else can I do? I'll see. Oh. I need healing. Oh, mind flip. I'm gonna get clip. Literally get clip. You keep doing that. I'm sorry. Wait, hold on. Is heart still good? I don't know. What does heart still do? Gain health. Heal app might be good. I don't know. 30%. Now forget AD. This might be good. Let's do that. Okay, 40. Back up. I need one. Not good. What are they running? Oh, they're just running like mainly armor like these. I don't know, there's just for that. No, probably basic power. Kalista and Nyla, we were against these guys. Maybe we won, I don't know. Probably speed and I think she was healing, I don't know. I think. Okay, I'll go with this. Yeah, I'll go that. Stop. This one we should win. Where is it? Nyla, come on. You can't do one. Come on, you gotta be careful. Yeah man, I'm running away. I need that heal. Right. Oh my goodness. Just flying around. That is good. Please, give me gold, give me gold. No, don't care about that. That's ooh. Go back there. I could have bought something. Oh no, it's easy again.
There's no use running.
Yeah, there's no way I'm winning against that. Do they heal? I don't know if they heal or not. I think, I think, yeah, he heals. Oh shit. My bad, oh, come on, shake. No. So close. I want to keep watching. Who's left? Callista, Nyla, and oh, I don't know about this one because Callista super fast, but these guys, oh my god, we got Titans over here, massive Titans. I'm gonna keep on watching. Oh, there's my team. Let's see. Nope, I want to see what they're going. But none of them are healing, so what's the point? I don't know. Oh shit, I think that should be. She lost. There you go. I don't know. No, I don't think. You should see it. Look at that. Never mind, I do. I don't think she can keep up. Wait, hold on. No, I think she lost. If she gets a Giovanni out, she'll be. No, she lost. That was a good try. That was a very good try. Alright, I'm gonna go now because it's pretty